Hygiene is a cornerstone of modern civilization. We all know that people living in the period of time between the end of the Roman Empire and the beginning of the modern age were not particularly concerned with washing. Some saw washing as an unnecessary luxury, others saw it as the first step toward sinning by indulging the pleasures of flesh. Some doctors even claimed that bathing was harmful to the body or the mind. Time has passed and mankind entered a new age. Nowadays many people wash every day and don't seem to suffer any of the side effects predicted by the doctors of less scientifically advanced times. Still, we can't really say that everybody on Earth is fully aware and practicing the strictest personal hygiene. Of course, social pressure takes care of most problems, since men and women would feel too embarrassed if they were found wanting on personal hygiene. However, while many people pay little attention to it, intimate hygiene is just as important as overall hygiene. The sex organs are more sensitive than other parts of the body and frequently engaged in intimate contact, which is why they should be as clean as possible, if not cleaner. Think about it. The last thing you want when you take a lady to bed is to discover that she's not a hygiene fan. It's a major turn-off, and it works the same way for both partners. To clean the penis, start at the tip. Pull the foreskin back as far as it would go in order to expose the entire glands. Wash both the glands and the inside of the foreskin thoroughly, but gently. This is not supposed to cause pain, so be gentle with one of the most sensitive parts of your body. At the same time, make sure that the glands is perfectly clean. The space between the glands and the foreskin is where the white substance known as smegma is formed. Smegma is a mixture of dead epithelial cells shed by tissues, skin oils, moisture and bacteria. Since bacteria tend to thrive in any small place that has plenty of moisture, be sure to wash away all smegma from under the foreskin. Letting bacteria and dead tissue cells accumulate is a sure way of getting every woman's nightmare, a smelly penis. This could easily destroy a relationship, since no woman would accept to live with a man who doesn't know or care to keep himself clean. Going down on a man whose penis smells is simply out of the question. Intimate hygiene is also important for penis enlargement. Using an enlargement device such as a traction device or a pump on an unclean penis will simply spread bacteria all over the penis. Accumulated dirt, sweat and bacteria will certainly cause infections at one point or another in the future. Men who engage in penis enlargement exercises are also exposed to infections if they fail to maintain a high standard of intimate hygiene. That's why warming up and down using hot water in the shower is recommended as a good way of preparing for a penis enlargement session and as a chance to clean the penis. Circumcised men have to be even more careful about their intimate hygiene because they lack the foreskin that protects the sensitive glands from sweat, dust and all manner of substances that should not come into contact with the penis. Some men choose circumcision precisely because they think that losing the foreskin helps keep the penis clean. However, there is an ongoing debate among experts about the hazards and benefits of circumcision. Many doctors say that removing the protective foreskin is less hygienic and exposes the glands to various bacteria that cause infections of the urinary tract. At the same time, other doctors maintain that the foreskin traps smegma and dirt, and so uncircumcised men are not spared the danger of infections. Regardless of how you feel about circumcision, one thing is perfectly clear: hygiene, and especially intimate hygiene, is of the utmost importance to you. It keeps infections away from this sensitive area and makes sure that your sexual relationships will not suffer.